Guys, it's your boy Lindo from Buy Easy. Welcome to another episode of unboxing. So guys, today we're all about unpacking another one of the essential items that we currently use on a day-to-day basis at the moment, since we're currently affected by the COVID-19. So without wasting time, let's just get right into it. Alright, so guys, today I brought you one of these. So this is a well-known product. We use it on a day-to-day basis. It's called a sanitizer. So my brand is the ViroPlast. It's called the ViroPlast. So the ViroPlast, it's an antiviral. It's a hand and surface sanitizer. Guys, at the moment, since we're currently affected by the COVID-19, the coronavirus, we use these products on a day-to-day basis because we're trying to keep ourselves hygiene and kill all the germs and bacteria that we may come into contact with if ever we were like touching any surfaces. So I'm talking about we can be touching like your laptop, cell phones, furniture, or maybe you were touching your door, closing your door, your vehicle, anything. Guys, let's just make sure that this product, it's a essential item that we currently have on a day-to-day basis in order to keep ourselves healthy and make sure that we do not get the coronavirus very easy. So guys, with that being said, I also told you that I have other few products that we currently have that I would like to share with you guys. So these other two products as well, they are part of the essential items that are taking a huge part in trying to prevent the coronavirus from spreading. So what we would like to do as well is to show you one of these products that we currently have that is a essential item as well. So guys, we currently have one of these, and these are called the shield protector. So the shield, the clear shield screen protector, it's normally used to cover your face, like the whole front of your face, because like guys, some of you guys are really struggling to do some breathing when you have your mask. So if that's the case, try to make use one of these. Purchase one of these, guys. Buy one of these and make sure that you are protected, fully protected, because I want to show you how this works, guys. So with this product, guys, it had this string here. So let me check mine. So mine is stretching, so it makes it comfortable when it's fitted to yourself, and as well as it has a soft spot over this side, okay, so that it will feel comfortable when you have put it or insert it in your head. So you need to do it like this, and then you can see, guys, so as you can see, guys, so this shield, it covers my face, my whole front face, till this part, till the neck on this part. All right, so this will help you not to get any germs or bacteria that will be coming to your nose, mouth, and also your eyes. Okay, as we have been warned that we shouldn't be touching our eyes more often, we shouldn't touch our eyes. Try and avoid touching your eyes, your nose, as well as your mouth. So guys, if you're using one of these, that means that you are more protected because you won't be able to get the coronavirus like to be on your eyes, nose, or mouth, because this part blocks everything from coming into you. So it's such a great product, guys. So make use of these, guys. So as guys, we do have the shield, as the shield protects us as well when we're walking around, or if ever we need to wear it, we're going to do some shopping, we're going to work, we're wearing one of the shields. It helps us, it prevents us from getting the coronavirus. I have other one product that I would like to share with you guys, especially the ones that are owning offices as well as salon beauticians, all of those guys. I would like to recommend you guys to get one of the products that I'm going to show you right now, so that you can make sure that you protect yourself as well as your customer as well. So this is the product that I am currently talking about, guys. Can you see it? So this is called the Clear Perspect. So the Clear Perspect that I currently have at the moment, it's the sneeze screen guard. So this sneeze screen guard, it protects the customer and yourself as well. So as you can see, it has this gap over here. So this gap over here is for you to receive any sort of payment that you need to take with your hand, or else if ever your beautician, maybe they're doing your nails, they can be able to do your nails with you not being able to like came into contact with them, and there will be a screen blocking them. So guys, as you can see, this is a brand new screen. So it just came from the manufacturer, but it's Perspex. So as it Perspex, it's this like this. It's a clear Perspex. So if we peel this white sheet off, that means that if the cover comes out, then you will see something like this. Okay, so you can be able to see what they're doing to you, or you can be able to see the other person on the other side, and as well as be protected as well. So guys, I would like to recommend that you make use to one of these. We also have it available on our website as well. Just go to the www.buyeasy.com and make a purchase of one of these to keep yourself protected as well as your customer. As well as guys, for any other related products that you would like to find out about, you can also visit our website as well, or either you can keep track with us. Make sure that you view our page, subscribe on our YouTube channels, as well as hit us with a comment. If ever you have any inquiries, just let us know and we'll be able to respond like immediately to you. As for me guys, Lindo, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace out.